Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know the top 8 Hytale mods you need to try today. Number 1. BetterMap. This records your explorations in the background, dynamically updating the map as you move. It includes settings like exploration radius, hide place of PvP, waypoints, shared waypoints, and you can also right-click to teleport. It's ideal for servers and explorers. Number 2. Home. This is a simple /set home and /home command for instant teleportation back to your base after exploring or gathering resources. This mod pairs really well with the Claims mod for protected bases. Number 3. Yang's HyDungeons. This adds procedurally generated dungeons accessible via ancient portals. This is unlocked at 100 memories. Server ops can use /inst to spawn instances like underground jungles and much more. Just make sure to avoid the void instance. Number 4. Thorium Chests. This introduces upgraded chests with massive storage. Thorium has 45 slots, cobalt 49, silver 58, and gold 40. It's craftable from basic materials. It's great for base optimization without bulky vanilla double chests. Number 5. Oris Livestock Skins. This adds varied handcrafted animal skins for immersion. No more identical animals. Has features like horned rabbits, brown chickens, and rare tinted variants. It's got customizable spawn rates via config. Number 6. Horse Skins. This expands horse varieties with beautiful new skins, including rare tints you can mount and ride on adventures. It complements livestock skins for a diverse world. It's got a lot of customizable chances. Number 7. Perfect Parries. This enhances combat by rewarding timed blocks /parries with enemy staggers. It's challenging due to the animation sync issues, but makes blocking feel essential and satisfying. And number 8. Recover Arrows. This lets you retrieve missed arrows. They won't vanish instantly. However, hit arrows are non-recoverable for balance, so it's perfect for archers and resource savers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.